Hello everyone, welcome back to the Math class tutorial series. In today's episode 40, we will learn how to calculate relative risk and odds ratio using column-based biomedical dataset for the analysis in the Math class software. The dataset for the take two columns. The first one for the smoking is a group variable and the disease is a outcome variables. So the take for the smoking group is a two categories, one for the smoker and another one for the non-smoker, and the disease for the yes or no. Then MedCalc software, the top menu selected for the statistics option and go to the cross table and selected for the relative risk odds ratio. They open the new tab for the relative risk and odds ratio. The two variables add in the tab. First one for the outcome variable. Outcome variable choose for the disease yes or no type. Okay, and the group selected for the smoking, the two category smoking and non-smoking, and the filter is a column is a empty because we not take for the any filter options. If you want to use the filter for the particularly the analysis in the multiple group, we take the smoking category, but we not any filter options because we not take the any particular filter. You want the use the filter options particularly selected for the smoking, add the smoking, only analysis in the analysis. So we all the smoking category analysis in the experiment, so choose for the not choose for the filter options, and the options for the right side, the click the checkbox in the relative risk and odds ratio, then click to the OK button. Now the analysis for the relative risk and odds ratio, the outcome for the disease and the group for the smoking category, and the disease in the table yes or no, smoking and non-smoking and smoker. The disease outcome, the result for the smoker group, the non-smoker 7 and the smoking 3, total for the 10 numbers and the 50%, and the disease for the yes and smoker is a non-smoker 3 and the smoker 7, 10 total number and the 50%, and the relative risk odds ratio, the exposure for the two group because we take the two group smoker and non-smoker. First on the result view for the smoker, and click to the arrow button and choose for the non-smoker and the view the result in the non-smoker. So the first choose for the smoker, the relative risk for the smoker 2.33 and the 95% of confidence interval 0.83 to 6.53, and the Z statistics value 1.612 and significant level of the statistics P is equal to 0.10, and the odds ratio 5.44, at the odds ratio for the 95% of confidence interval 0.80 to 36.86, and the Z statistics value 1.736 and the significant value P is equal to 0.0825, and the exposed to group, the another one for the non-smoker, change the non-smoker, the relative smoker value for 0.42 and the 95% of confidence interval 0.15 to 1.20, the Z statistics value 1.61, the significance level P is equal to 0.10. Then odds ratio for the non-smoker 0.18 and the Z value 1.73, the statistics Z value, and significance level P is equal to 0.08, and the frequency chart options provided for the MedCalc software. Then the classification X is a non-smoker and the disease for the outcome. If you want choose for the data already, so the automatically choose the classification X and the Y, and the graph type you want choose the automatically selected for the cluster column If you any want the additional models, choose for the simple column and stick column and 100% sticks column. Also I choose for the automatically for the selected in the cluster column and the relative frequency for the options and the group coordinations for the vertical. Then click to the OK button. So the click to the created for the bar graph type. So simple customized provided, hide the grill line and select for the right click on your mouse, choose for the format bar, change to the color, border color change. Okay, change the color and the disease outcome for the no is a orange color, yes is a blue color and the excess is for the smoker, two groups, non-smoker and the smoker, and the disease for the percentage provided in the y-axis. So this is for the analyzing method and the created for the bar graph in the relative odds and the relative risk and the odds ratio, the MedCalc software. This is used for the categorical data only, and if you any doubt on this video for this analysis, enter the comment for the comment box, I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button. Thank you for watching this video. And the interpretation of the relative risk and odds ratio and the frequency chart for the relative risk and odds ratio I will explain for the our the website. That link also mentioned to the this video description box. Thank you for watching this video.